Curated Commute. Find your perfect spot anywhere you are. You see, every day, many people spend a lot of time just for commute, which make them exhausted. And many times, people would like to experience different kind of experiences around them. So, we are trying to solve the loneliness epidemic through our platform whenever someone commutes and want to have a new experience, whether you are looking for a safe inclusive real places like cafes, libraries, date spots, cultural hubs, or anything nearby you, you simply need to click on start exploring. Once you do that, you need to click on sign up and create an account. Once you do that, simply log into your own account. Once created the profile, you simply need to click on sign in, and once sign in, you should be able to see a new chat interface. Here, you can give your own preferences like I am heading to Times Square. And you can just give comma and I would like to have hot chocolate and meet local people, for example, right? You can chocolate, and you can simply correct this and simply click enter. Once you do that, our AI agent is able to actually search everything based on your preferences. You can also share any kind of images or your live location directly if you want to share something relevant and give more context to your AI agent. What happens is it is able to find few sources according to reviews in Reddit. Let's see what it got. Once you click search, and you can verify the information yourself. You can also chat with people in those platforms, obviously. And once you like anything, you can simply click on go there. Once you click that, it should go to the Google Maps, and it will share you all the spots according to your preferences nearby you. So based on those preferences, and based on our algorithm at the moment and your history, it suggested few places. We can also see there are few with more stars, and these might be some of the best ones. Oh, okay. So perhaps it's also showing in Canada, for example. So yeah, so these are some of the options that our AI agent was able to fetch. You also have an option where you can put specifically the exact location where you are heading to, so it can also curate whatever it is along the commute, for example. Now there comes another option where you can simply click on set that check-in timer. What happens is, suppose you are a kid under 18 or anyone whom notification to their loved ones is very, very important. You can simply click on some timers. For example, as a parent, you can actually put a 30-minute timer. So what happens is, every 30 minutes your kid or anyone has to check into this app again and again. If they do not, that means there might be some problem. So not only that, we have created a dedicated safe center option where the person can also call anyone in emergency, for this case like 911, can share their live location via text, and can also use our start recording feature similar to what Uber has, for example, so that they could record anything if they don't feel safe in the environment. They can also save multiple emergency contacts, and they can reach out to them whenever they need. And you also got a save option. In my profile, I did save a location earlier which I liked, and you can also see, you can also go ahead and understand, you can also see different things, reviews, and also click on maps in order to go to those locations. As you can see, this place was one of my recommendations anyways. So yeah, I hope you liked the idea. Okay, there is one more capability that I try to develop. That is, if you have any YouTube video, Instagram video, or any kind of video which you would like to go, and similar spots which you like to see in your local areas, you can simply paste the link, and you can write any national languages, right? I would like to go there, I want similar to this, and so on. So our AI agent is actually tries to understand the context of the video, for example, and based on that, it tries to give us some information. For example, okay, it seems like it wasn't able to give, so I want something similar near Hoboken. Okay, let's see if it works this time, right? Once you click enter with extra context, now our AI agent, so our AI agent was able to curate some experiences, during your commute. I hope you like the idea. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'm more than happy to have constructive criticism and open to feedback in order to improve this product. And I think this is very useful for someone like me who is an international student, and I would love to experience different places nearby, different subway stations in this example, or anywhere in the US or in the world, right? So see you in the next one.